So this is what the authority will see. In this, the authority can see all the complaints, he can schedule it, and he can also see the area and all that. But what the core feature which we have included in this is the image classification. Yes, our AI system can detect that the waste uploaded by the user is of which type. Let's see the demo. So this is the waste of something electronic waste. So if we click on this button, then it will detect that yes, exactly this is the waste type of e-waste, and it will be classified based upon that. And second is the medical waste. So our model will also detect that yes, this is the medical waste. So this way our model has been trained over 1000 images, and by that we can get approximate accuracy up to 90%. And this is the food waste. So yes, our model predicted it correctly. This way all the complaints can be classified automatically, and based upon this classification we can further do processing based upon the type of the garbage. Garbage to gas biofuel plant. This is a biofuel plant that can be utilized to generate biofuel or biogas from the waste. Now second is trash to tar. In this way the trash collected from various places can be converted to tar that can be used to make roads and other purposes of construction. Waste to what? And according to American government, 14 million houses can be lit up using garbage collected in 1 year. Now let's move towards business model of our product. Now first is income from biofuel. If we consider 1 kg biofuel is of $0.46, then estimate collection in 1 year is 12.15 million kg, and from that $563 million income can be generated. It's huge amount. Wonderful. Second is biodegradable waste. So according to these prices, in 1 year estimate income from biodegradable waste, that is we can make fertilizers of it, is about $23.5 million. From industry waste it is about $7.3 million, and from electronic waste it is nearly 15 plus 7.3, that is nearly $22 million. Now let's combine this all, and nearly per year income from waste is $615 million, and these all figures are authenticated from American government. So instead of dumping the garbage in large landfills, if we utilize garbage in effective manner, then we can be in a huge profit, and a huge amount of income can be generated from that garbage, which will be helpful to nation and also the earth, as a huge amount of garbage is not dumped but utilized.